different meanings to the verb ضرب يضرب in Egyptian Arabic. Number 1. To hit or beat up. ضربني وبكى وسبقني واشتكى. That's a proverb. He hit me and cried, and before I could, he went and complained about me. 2. To eat. تضرب معايا كشري. Would you like to eat كشري with me? 3. To go bad or to lose one's mind. مخه ضرب. He went nuts. You can also use it to describe food. الأكل ضرب. 4. To scan a product's UPC. ممكن تضربي اللبن برضو. Could you add the milk as well to the receipt? 5. To give an example. خليني أضرب لك مثل. Let me give you an example. 6. To strike. اضرب الكورة بالمضرب. Strike the ball with the racket. 7. To call by phone. اضرب عليه كده يمكن راحت عليه نومة. Call him, maybe he slept in. 8. To decide not to return something to its owner because you liked it. أنا هضرب على الجاكيت بتاعك. I'll keep your jacket to myself. 9. To whip, beat, or blend with a blender. اضرب الفاكهة في الخلاط. Blend the fruit in the blender.